When the same companies come back to a campus year after year, it usually means something. At Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, over 150 recruiters do exactly that. Names such as TCS, Wipro, JP Morgan, Amazon, Zoho, Deloitte and Adani Group are regulars on that list. Placement rates for BE BTech students have stayed fairly consistent over the last few years. 90% in 2026, 82% in 2025, 85% in 2024 and 86% in 2023. At the higher end, some recent offers have gone as far as 55 lakh per annum from 8fold.ai, 32 lakh per annum from Flipkart, 19.75 lakh per annum from JP Morgan and 17 lakh per annum from Cisco. The median package for BE BTech students in 2026 was 5.5 lakh per annum, showing improvement from the previous years. Placements don't happen in isolation, and at Sri Sai Ram, the groundwork starts much earlier than most would expect. Internships can begin as early as the second semester of the first year, and they are not optional. Every student is required to complete around 45 days of industry training with academic credits attached. The support structure behind that is layered. The Training and Placement Cell works with departments through industry tie-ups, job posts, and recruiter outreach. Center of Excellence partnerships with companies like HCL and Virtusa add another layer. MOUs with industrial associations like TEMA and IIMA open doors into manufacturing, IT, and engineering sectors specifically. 100% of students secure an internship. Companies like Cognizant, Blackstraw Technologies, Ashok Leyland, IBM, and Breaks India are among those taking students in. Many of these come with stipends, and in some cases, strong performance can lead to a pre-placement offer. Consistent placement rates, early internship access, and a recruiter base that spans sectors form a strong foundation. Additionally, the college has nurtured over 163 startups under Sai Ram Techno Incubation. That's the picture at Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, Chennai. Want to know more? Comment sec followed by your query.